Cannibal capitalist worker, cannibal business owner. We eat our own time. 7 hours after work or school, wasted, daily. How to capitalize. Today's Enrich Talk is about a list of 50 things, words, and services you can capitalize in this moment in your lifetime. Listen till the end of this talk, and your brain will thank you. Money ideas will come if your mind door is open enough. What is life opportunity? I know a blind man. A young blind man who emigrated to England, from an Eastern European country, after a few years of working different small paid jobs. Now he became a counseling man in a famous hospital, for people who lose their sight, for people can no longer see, who go blind. This man I know, help patients, people make this transition to blindness, and not lose their mind and not kill themselves. He is paid in gold, for his work. Every city hospital, should have some counseling honest people like him. Keep accountable the money you spend every day, because $20 spent every day, is $80,000 in 10 years. My craziest idea about money is capitalizing my bank debt $20,000, split the money in 100 shares, and sell them for $200 each, with a promise of profit from future YouTube money success, using a basic return of investment calendar, fairytale story. You have access to internet and understand what I am saying in English. You are not the poorest man or woman in the world. You have options and free information available on YouTube. To capitalize means to take advantage of a situation and make money or have some benefits. Donate blood, hair, time, knowledge, human presence, in exchange for experiences that will help you in the future. You meet new people, identify new opportunities. Capitalizing your female or male attributes, good looking or muscle man, capitalizing common sense actions, common sense life example and wisdom. People are waking up and capitalizing their cigarette breaks, by giving up smoking and reading or learning something in these work breaks, or relaxing. From capitalizing the place, the city you live in, the opportunity of living in a great country, the life advantage or knowing a language, or a music instrument, or capitalizing a talent that you were born with, or a handicap, a life defect or weakness that makes you special or it is your superpower. Every day has its own opportunities and lessons. We don't analyze the signs and we don't write down the ideas we have daily, and we complain that nothing is happening good in our life. People are capitalizing all around the world their skills, hobbies, and passions, the new invented opportunities such as Airbnb, Uber, Fiverr, artificial intelligence ChatGPT, YouTube, Instagram, crypto, new money investments. On this channel I am capitalizing my life struggles, life lessons and life experiences, with the purpose of leaving a legacy, and to help people who feel the same life issues, or want the same success as I do. Capitalizing imagination, knowledge, information, losses and failures. A famous woman was asked and judged, why she started making adult content, OnlyFans. His answer was sincere, I capitalizing my name, social image and age, I am making millions of dollars. We all have something to capitalize right now, right here, in our current life situation. We have a problem with packaging and selling our problems, solving life problems. You have in the description of this talk, a link to my PDF book called Solve Your Life Problems in Exchange for a Burger. And living the life we want to have, not a life of consequences. Meanwhile we destroy our life through our bad habits and actions, laziness and stupidity. Capitalizing that small garden you have, plant some flowers and sell them, grow some vegetables and eat fresh food, save that money. Capitalize the things you don't use anymore, don't need or want to update or replace, sell everything, go minimalist, have a simple life, don't transform your house in a museum of old things, and your life in a bar club using vices and dopamine. There are life cycles, life experiences, life opportunities. Every age we lived, had its own capitalizing moments. People who marry very young, have a different start in life, in comparison with those who marry, who they find, after 30 or 40 years old. If you have education, a skills that pays money, a family business that you must continue, a legacy you inherit and you must manage, a future you can build personalized through own decisions. You choose how far you go and grow in life. Keep accountable the days, the steps, the money, the people, the money you spend every day. Many times I care more about others and this is my problem. We label other people, friends, family members, colleagues, strangers, we judge them by the compromises they make in life, just to have a little success, just to make a child or a better working place. We consider immoral, we consider bribe, blackmail, we consider abuse, we consider corruption and nepotism, even stealing, breaking the laws and rules of society, even disrespect other people. It is a form of human social cannibalism. Still, survive only those to fight till the end, who work until they make it. Who is tough, who resist mentally, physically, emotionally until the next salary. It is everyone for himself. It is a social group decision, or we choose to be slaves of those who take decisions, and we follow them. Enough with capitalizing. Still we need money. Even if you have everything for free and unlimited quantity, money will remain an exchange coin, a measurement of value and social recognition. The expensive car is your mirror in the society. The beautiful high-value wife is a symbol of wealth. Kids are a symbol of future. A high-value man is a result of many struggling working days. A sign human evolution and becoming self-made, gives confidence and authority. You don't talk or fight with stupid people, because they will win you with their life experience. This was Enrich Talks episode 468. Having mercy is not enough. Begging, complaining and waiting God to do your work, is a sign of laziness. God wants you to be rich, to be happy, faithful, and to share with those in needs, the blessing you received in this lifetime. Thank you.